Welcome to part 1 of the Special Edition series. We are building a dynamic profit and loss statement from scratch using filter, SUMIFS, and XLOOKUP. This is a brief recap of lessons 1, 2, and 3. Before we start, let us add a net amount column in the A/C table. We cannot just look at debit or credit because there may be adjustments. For example, a reversal of sales would be in debit column, and if we only take in credit, it will not be correct. Now look at cell A4. It says revenue. Cell A5 uses filter. The formula is filter of COA account where type equals the value in A4 which is revenue. This spills all revenue accounts automatically. This is lesson 1 in action. Dynamic arrays. Filter creates a dynamic list. If we add a new revenue account to the COA table, it appears here automatically. No manual updates needed. You may have noticed that in AC table, the account column has prefixes to the account. For example, expense, rent, but in P&L, it is simply rent. We still can use SUMIFS here with the XLOOKUP to COA table which acts as a bridge. Now look at cell B5. The formula is SUMIFS of AC net amount where account equals XLOOKUP of A5 hash from COA account returning COA account long. We add a negative sign in front so that revenue appear as positive numbers, which is easier for management to read it. The hash symbol after A5 is important. It tells Excel to use the entire spilled array from cell A5. So the formula automatically expands to match the number of revenue accounts. You can see this in action. We reach the operating expenses. Total revenue is at cell B6. The formula is sum of B5 hash. This adds up all revenue accounts. The result is 536,500. If you need a deeper dive on filter, SUMIFS, or XLOOKUP, watch lessons 1, 2, and 3 in the intermediate series. Or drop a comment below and I will explain further. Now look at cell A8. It says cost of goods sold. Cell A9 uses filter. Filter of COA account where type equals the value in A8 which is cost of goods sold. This spills all cost of goods sold accounts. Cell B9 uses SUMIFS of AC net amount where account equals XLOOKUP of A9 hash from COA account returning COA account long. The result is 331,200. Now look at cell A12. It says operating expenses. Cell A13 uses filter. Filter of COA account where type equals the value in A12 which is expense. This spills all operating expense accounts. Cell B13 uses SUMIFS of AC net amount where account equals XLOOKUP of A13 hash from COA account returning COA account long. Because we use filter, all expense accounts appear automatically. Rent, utilities, salaries, marketing and advertising, and depreciation. The formulas spill and adjust dynamically. Total operating expenses is at cell B18. The formula is sum of B13 hash, the total is 219,000. The key takeaway is the combination of filter, XLOOKUP, and SUMIFS. Filter creates dynamic account lists. XLOOKUP maps clean names to full names. SUMIFS adds up amounts. Together they build a fully dynamic P&L. This is part 1 of 5 in the Special Edition series. Part 2 covers P&L by region using index and match. Subscribe and follow so you do not miss it. Now open Excel and try it yourself. Download the sample data from the link in the description. Those who have already downloaded also need an updated copy since I updated the sample data. Build your own P&L and comment down below or put your questions if you have any.